Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export leads from Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go in reports and start stating all your leads. You can create a new reports and search for a lead type. So from here, we can search for lead and here we can find the leads and we can click on leads. We start a report and then we will need to show all the leads for all the time. So here I'm just going to click on this one and now we have our report. Then you will need to run this report so we can create it and from there you can export the reports from there. So here you can see the types of or the formats of the files. You can choose a CSV or an Excel. You can choose also an encoding type. Another way to do it is by going to the data export of Salesforce. You can go to setup. After that, you can go to data export and from there you can choose export data, so export now, and from there we need to choose lead and within we start export. Another optional use or options or settings that you can add are to include the images and documents and all the attachments that are included with the leads or attached with the leads. Also, you can start including Salesforce files and Salesforce content. So if you want to do so, you will need just to check these ones and then you will need just to click on start export. And by that, you will need just to wait for a while until the data are generated and compressed, etc. And then you will be able to download the exported file. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.